Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is February 27th, 2025, and we're diving into Endeavor's fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results. Endeavor, a global sports and entertainment powerhouse, has just released its earnings report. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Endeavor's report is packed with insights into their performance across various segments, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Endeavor reported a net revenue of $1.568 billion for Q4 2024 and $7.11 billion for the full year. However, they also posted a net loss of $1.215 billion for the year. John, can you shed some light on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, driven by strong performances in their own sports properties and representation segments. However, the net loss is significant, largely due to high operating expenses and impairment charges. Despite this, their Adjusted EBITDA for Q4 was $277.1 million, indicating strong operational performance.
Segment performance. Endeavor's segments showed varied performance. The owned sports properties segment reported $670.4 million in Q4 revenue, while the representation segment saw $501.6 million. However, the events and experiences segment experienced a slight decline. What are your thoughts on this, John?
The owned sports properties segment benefited from the acquisition of WWE and increased revenue from UFC and PBR. The representation segment's growth was driven by WME's talent and sports groups. The slight decline in events and experiences is due to the sale of IMG Academy, but overall, the segment performed well with events like the Paris 2024 Olympics, boosting annual revenue.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Endeavor has several strategic initiatives underway, including the sale of IMG, On Location, and PBR to TKO, and a take-private transaction with Silver Lake. How do these moves position Endeavor for the future?
These strategic moves are significant. The sale to TKO is valued at $3.25 billion, which will streamline Endeavor's operations and focus on core areas. The take-private transaction with Silver Lake will provide the company with more flexibility to execute long-term strategies without the pressures of public markets. Additionally, the ongoing dividend payments reflect a commitment to returning value to shareholders.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 19s for Endeavor, and the company met this expectation. John, what does this tell us about Endeavor's financial health and market perception?
Meeting the EPS forecast is a positive sign, especially given the challenging environment. It shows that Endeavor is managing its costs effectively and aligning its operations with market expectations. This consistency can bolster investor confidence, even amidst broader financial challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Endeavor has shown robust revenue growth and strategic foresight with its recent transactions, despite a challenging financial year. John, any final thoughts on Endeavor's investment prospects?
Endeavor's strategic initiatives and strong segment performances position it well for future growth. While the net loss is a concern, the company's focus on core strengths and operational efficiencies is promising. Investors should watch how these strategies unfold in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Endeavor's performance in the comments below.